Since I accidentally combined these two ingredients, I've never thrown away an avocado pit again. The results were beyond anything I could have imagined. Start by grating the pit using the coarse side of a grater. Few people know that the pit contains over 70% of the antioxidants found in the fruit itself. That's an important fact. As you'll notice, the grated pit begins to change color. This is a natural oxidation process. Transfer the grated pit into a jar until it's half full, then pour in olive oil. Olive oil acts as a natural carrier for nutrients. It softens, moisturizes, and prevents moisture loss. Close the jar tightly and leave it in a dark place for 1 day. After that, strain the mixture through a sieve to remove any residue. Store the oil in a sealed container. You're probably wondering how to use this homemade macerate. It works as a natural body balm that regenerates the skin and as a nourishing hair mask. It strengthens hair roots, reduces hair loss, and moisturizes the ends, especially beneficial for older adults. Just massage a few drops into your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then wash your hair with shampoo. With regular use, your hair becomes softer, stronger, and beautifully shiny.